Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest in men's fashion and lifestyle products. Today, we're spotlighting one of the best polo boat shoes for men currently available in the market, the Polo Ralph Lauren Men's Bienne boat shoe. If you're in the market for timeless style and exceptional quality, this might just be the shoe for you. Let's dive in. The Polo Ralph Lauren Bienne boat shoe is a masterpiece in both design and craftsmanship. It's crafted from 100% leather, ensuring durability and a luxurious feel. The classic mock toe stitching and rawhide lacing around the collar exemplify traditional boat shoe aesthetics, making it a versatile choice for various casual occasions. Now, let's talk about what sets this boat shoe apart. Firstly, its construction. The 100% leather upper provides not only a premium look but also durability that ensures these shoes will last for years. The man-made sole offers comfort and traction, making it suitable for both boat decks and city streets alike. Style-wise, the Polo Ralph Lauren Men's Bienne boat shoe doesn't disappoint. Available in a sophisticated tan color, it's versatile enough to pair with a range of outfits, from casual shorts to smart chinos. Whether you're heading out for a weekend brunch or a day on the yacht, these shoes add a touch of effortless elegance to any ensemble. Comfort is key, and these boat shoes deliver. The rawhide lacing allows for a customizable fit, while the interior remains cozy even after extended wear. Polo Ralph Lauren has truly combined style and comfort seamlessly in this design. Maintenance is a breeze with these boat shoes. Despite being crafted from leather, they are surprisingly easy to care for. A quick wipe down and occasional treatment with leather conditioner will keep them looking pristine for years to come. In conclusion, if you're searching for a pair of boat shoes that blend timeless style with exceptional quality, look no further than the Polo Ralph Lauren Men's Bienne boat shoe. From its premium leather construction to its classic design, every detail reflects Polo Ralph Lauren's commitment to excellence. That wraps up our review of the Polo Ralph Lauren Men's Bienne boat shoe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on the latest products. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.